question, the radius vector of a point A relative to the origin varies with time t as given r equal to at I cap minus bt square j cap. So r is given to be at I cap minus bt square j cap, where a and b are positive constants and I and j are unit vectors of x and y axis. Now we have to find the equation of the point's trajectory y as a function of x, and we need to plot this function, and we also need to find the time dependence of velocity v and acceleration a vectors as well as the moduli of these quantities. These we need to find. So the radius vector can be written as x I cap plus y j cap, where from we obtain x is equal to at and y is equal to minus bt square. So if we replace t in terms of x, we can write from here y is equal to minus b, t is nothing but x by a, so this is equal to minus b by a square into x square. So equation of the trajectory is y equal to minus b by a square into x square. As it can be seen, it is an equation of parabola. This is equation of a parabola with vertex at x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So if we plot x versus y graph, from here it can be seen that with increasing value of x, y becomes negative and the graph is like this. So this is the plot of the graph, and now we need to find the dependence of velocity and acceleration with time. So here from we can write, as we know, x is equal to at and y is equal to minus bt square. We have vx is equal to a and vy to be equal to minus 2bt, whereas x component of acceleration is 0 and y component of acceleration is minus 2b. So in vector form we have velocity vector is equal to vx I cap plus vy j cap, that is equal to a I cap minus 2bt j cap. This is the velocity vector, and if we want to have the magnitude, then it is equal to under root a square plus 4b square t square. This is the dependence of velocity vector with time and its magnitude as a function of time. Resultant, if we find acceleration vector, that is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap, that is equal to minus 2b j cap. This is the acceleration vector, and magnitude of acceleration is equal to 2b. So these are the required information as can be seen in this question.